Good day everyone! We are here to show you how you can get an SSS number and what are requirements needed. In the Philippines, it is mandatory to be an SSS member and to pay the monthly contribution if you're active. It is also advisable to be an SSS member. If unemployed, you can be an SSS member by being a volunteer member.
What is an SSS? SSS stands for Social Security System. It was built in 1957. It is an insurance program for the workers in the Philippines. It is a government agency that provides Social Security for the retirement and health services. Health services like maternity, sickness, and loan, and also calamity loan. In order to acquire these benefits, members should have active and maintain its contributions. For the minimum contributions to be eligible retirement pension, it should be 120 months or 10 years.
A person registering with the SSS for the first time as a prospective employee. First, you need to fill out E1 or personal record form. Submit it to your registered SSS office together with the original certified true copy or photocopy of a certificate, driver's license, passport, Professional Regulation Commission or PRC, and Siemens.
These are the general instructions in filling out the application forms. Fill out the appropriate items in the following format. Then, write the height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. In item 11, limit the distinguishing features to those that can be found on the face, such as mole under the right eye and mole or birthmark to the left cheek or forehead. For card replacement, pay the required fee at any SSS branch office, accredited bank, or collecting agent, and submit this form and the required documents and validated miscellaneous payment form and special banking receipt with miscellaneous payment form to the nearest SSS branch office. For card replacement, on the amendment of data, please provide the previous SSS or UMID card.
Applying for an SSS ID can be very stressful and time-consuming. For this reason, the Social Security system thought of an alternative way of getting an SSS ID that will consume lesser time and is much easier. This is through online. Here are the steps. First, download the E6 form from the SSS website. Second, click on the employment history from the left panel. Copy the employment number of your company into the form. Third, click on SSS ID clearance. If the note says member qualified for an SSS ID card, then you're cleared and eligible to apply for an ID. Fourth, go to the SSS office and get your priority number for your picture to be taken. Fifth, present 2 IDs listed from the second page of the E6 form. And you're done.
For more information, visit our website at www.sss.gov.ph or email us at member_relations@sss.gov.ph.